Located at the foot of Mount Inari, the shrine's sprawling complex leads visitors through lush forests and up winding paths, offering a serene escape from the bustle of Kyoto. It's here that the fox spirits, known as kitsune, are said to dwell. These mystical creatures are believed to be messengers of Inari, carrying prayers and wishes to the gods. By the time you reach the summit, you'll understand why Fushimi Inari Taisha is not just a shrine, but a journey, one that speaks to the soul and connects the past to the present in a way that few places can.